Alright, so before we get into the charts on Polygon, aka Matic, let's get into this article by B in Crypto. This Polygon price dropped 15% after SEC filing or filling. Tough times ahead. So Gary Gensler came out this week announcing lawsuits on Coinbase and against Binance, in which also he stated that roughly 10 to 15 tokens were considered securities, one of them being Matic. So let's get into the article. Matic price dropped 15% as the recent SEC court filing against Binance spread negative sentiment across the markets. As an example, Robinhood said that they were going to delist Matic in several weeks. After an initial sell-off on Monday, panicking investors are now withdrawing their tokens from various DeFi smart contracts. After testing the 90-cent milestone last week, Polygon price has been in free fall since Monday. Yet the selling pressure could increase over the coming days. Between May 29th and June 8th, Matic supply in smart contracts dropped from 65% to 64%. This means that 111 million Matic tokens have been unstaked over the past week. When investors unstake a large number of tokens within a short period, it could cause a sudden increase in the volume of tokens available to be traded on exchanges. If a significant percentage of these tokens are pumped into the market, Matic holders can expect further price downswings in the coming days. According to on-chain data, long-term investors have been increasingly selling off their coins over the past week, so this is very bearish. In conclusion, the newly unstaked tokens potentially flooding the market and the low confidence among Polygon long-term holders are critical bearish factors. This suggests that Matic price will likely drop further in the coming days. Now let's go to the chart. So, in my opinion, if Matic is a top layer 2 on Ethereum, a drop in price should be seen as an opportunity to go long. And if we look at the monthly chart from the origin of the move higher from June of last year to April, we can see that the trend was broken in recent months. Now, we have this extended range candle, which is bearish, a doji candle, and then another drop in price. So potentially we have a sell zone, a monthly sell zone at the 95-cent level. All right, and when I look at current price, I go down and to the left, I can see that we have support at the 40-cent level. Let's put that in green as a signal to potentially go long. All right, so let's go down to the weekly chart and kind of looking at that potential monthly sell zone. I don't like the price action, the price structure, but you can see that we did have a drop in price, some basing, signified by multiple candles, and then a huge drop down. So I'm going to leave this on the chart. Now, if you look at the volume is pretty low, right? Relative to volume in the past. So I will leave it, but I won't denote it as a sell level. All right, so now let's look at current price. Go down to the left to see where buyers might be stepping in. All right, so I'm going to take this off here, and I'm going to mark this level as weekly buyers at the 35-cent level. Now, price came within a cent of 50 cents before pulling back. Price is currently at 63 cents. However, you back up the dump truck if price continues to decline to this weekly buyers level at 35 cents. Will we continue to see a sell-off? It remains to be seen as these lawsuits against Coinbase and Binance materialize. However, this is the level to go long if price can get down another 30 cents. The likelihood of that happening, I'm going to say, is low at this point, but anything can happen. Let's go back to the monthly chart for a second to put that level, that weekly bias level, in perspective. Matic was over $2 at once upon a time. So if you can get long at this level with a price target at, say, 160, you're looking at a roughly 5x. So this week should be interesting. This is the second week that we're going into after last week when all these lawsuits dropped and we had FUD against the altcoins and the crypto space overall. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.